Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Zobby, and in this channel I teach you how to edit your videos. I teach you different ways to edit your videos, different styles of editing, because it's of no use that you edited a video and the video still comes out boring. It doesn't make sense. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching something very interesting, like something you would like to learn, something I know that most people don't know how to do, which is why I want to teach you, and I want you to learn it, and I want you to implement it in your own video. I want it to be that when you make your next post, you're going to do this thing I'm about to teach you. So what is that thing? Let me spill the bean. I'm going to teach you how to make end screen. Yes, how to make the end screen show on your screen. So I know most of you will be like, you've not been seeing end screen in my video, you've never seen it in my video. Well, the thing is that I don't really have that much time, right? I'm trying to manage my time. So I don't really have time for all those things. But I'm here for you. You're the reason why I'm here. And that is why I said, okay, since I don't have time to teach, since I don't have time to do this in my videos, why not teach others? Since I already know how to do this, why not teach others so that they can be able to do it in their own video? Because like I say, and I will always say, like, this is not for me. Like, I'm not making this video for me. I am making it to help you because I love you guys. Like, I love you all, and I want to carry you along in whichever stage of life that I enter or that we enter. So I want to teach you things. Like, I want to teach you things about editing, so that when it comes to editing, you have confidence. Like, most people can't post video online. They don't post videos online because they feel like it's not that quality enough, it's not that good enough. But that's that for that. Let me tell you, the reason why you need to add end screens to your video is that when people watch your videos, right, at the end of the videos, when that end screen pops up, right, people like that person that's watched your video want to, like, when that person sees another of your video, the person will be like, the person will be curious to know what's in this video. Wow. Like, some people don't like stress. In short, the world of today, people don't like stress. They like things they get at ease. So it's more like you bringing your videos to their doorstep, telling them this is it. All you need to do is to click on this video and to take you right there. So most people don't have time to start searching for your videos and all that. So you just bring it to them by putting that end screen in your video. So I may not have been doing this, but I want you to do it. I want you to try it because I want your videos to be better than mine. I'm out here for you, not for me. So let's get into editing, right? Let's get into what we have for today. So we'll not be doing it in the CapCut app, right? Yes, this time around it's not in the CapCut app. It's in our YouTube studio. So if you don't have a YouTube studio, please download one now. So let's get straight into editing. Let me show you the little trick.
So guys, first things first is to go into your Chrome app, then you click on this search over here, then you type in YouTube Studio. So you type in YouTube Studio, right? So when you type in YouTube Studio, as you can see, it has brought out many options. Let me click on this one over here. So let's wait for it to finish loading. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment. So as you can see, this is what my studio looks like, right? So you could decide to zoom in, you could decide to zoom out, right? Just so that you can see clearly what you're doing. So let me zoom out so that you can be able to. So let me zoom so that you can see this. So you see this part over here where you see something like a play video, right? You click on it. So when you click on this particular part here, you click on it. So when you click on it, you see all your videos, like your different videos, you see it here, right? So you click on a particular video you want to make end screen on, like you click on a particular video you want to make end screen for. So you click on the title of the video. So I've clicked on the title of the video, right? So this is what it now looks like. So let me zoom it in so that you see. you see this place where it is written end screen. You're going to click on that end screen. So after clicking on that end screen, let's see what it's going to look like. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, right? So in this end screen now, you have different options to choose from. You have the one video, one subscribe, one video, one subscribe, or even two videos, or even one video, one playlist, one subscribe. So you could choose either of it. So let me just show, and you could choose to create yours. So let me show you how to create your own. So you click on this element over here, right? So when you click on element, you click on video. So when you click on video, as you can see, did you see what just came? Did you see what just showed? So this is what showed right now, right? So let's go back to that element. So you could decide to add another one. Let's say you want to add a playlist or even a channel or something. But for this one, let me just do one video and one playlist. So let me click on the playlist. So as you can see, it has showed me the playlist. I have two playlists, so it has showed me. So let me click on this one now. So let's use that one. So did you see it? So as you can see, it's already here. Then let's go back to the elements. You click on subscribe. So when you click on that subscribe, you're going to see this small photo over here. So this photo of you now, when your viewers see it, right, and they click on it, it will now show them subscribe and show them some other things. So they can now subscribe from there. So do you see why this end screen is very important? So as it has shown that thing now, so as you can see, there's something like a box kind of showing this particular place where this photo is, and you wouldn't want that. So if you don't want that, you just click here and then remove that. So as you can see, it's gone already, right? So as you can see, this video over here, this one, there's no video showing there. So you could either, okay, look at this place over here now. You see this part, most recent uploads, best for viewers, choose specific video. So when you click on choose specific video, you can now pick any video from your channel that you want to use as an end screen. You can now choose whichever video you want to use as your end screen. Like, so assume you want to use this video over here. So do you see it's now showing? So as you can see, it's now showing. See it here, right? So but if you do not want to like pick a video for yourself, you could just put it in this best for viewers. Then the YouTube will now select any video from your videos, or you could put it here. But I advise you go for this third one, right? So that you can now pick the video you want to put out there as your end screen. I think it's better you make that choice yourself. So as you can see, it's all set. So you could decide to move this around, you decide to keep it here, but mind you, look at, if I were to put this thing here, did you see that red thing showing? Yes, showing, meaning that this end screens you're doing, right, they are not supposed to be touching each other. There's supposed to be a space between them. If it were to be colliding with each other like this, right, you will not be able to save this video. So you have to give it space. So you can decide to keep this anywhere, whichever place you would like it to be. So we're done with this, right? So the next thing to do after you must have done that, you have to reduce this thing, like you have to reduce the timing of these videos, right? So you could click on it, whichever one of it that you want to reduce the timing. So let's click on this one. So let's reduce it. So this is how you just hold it and then drag it. So as you can see, we've dragged it to the end. So let's do it for the other ones. This thing, all you have to do is to shift it. So as you can see, you just drag it and then shift it. So you shift it until it aligns with these other ones. So guys, after doing that, the next thing you want to do is to save this video. So make sure you save it, very important. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.